Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a project life layout. So this one is using up one of my page kits for my Nicole Jones Scrap-a-Thon class challenge that I'm doing, and this one is the same page kit that I used for another layout that I've already showed you. So I will make sure to leave a link below to the layout that I made using this kit, and I'm going to make 2 project life pages with this kit as well. So this is the first one. I am scrapbooking a fun day back in August 2017 where we went to Bear World here where we live. It's close to where we live. My in-laws came down and visited, or not came down, but came over and visited us for a day. It was only for a few hours, one day. And so we decided to go and hang out at Bear World because we have never been there. So I am just using up a lot of the embellishments from this page kit, and I'm so excited with how much I used up on this for this whole little project that I have going on here. So here you can see I'm playing around. Each of my page kits has at least 5, 6, 7, quite a few 3x4s. So that's where those 2 3x4 cards came from, was from the page kit, and also the My Mind's Eye collections that I used to make these page kits. So I think I am halfway done here. I decided that I didn't like leaving it on top of the page protector, so I'm going to pull everything out and work with it just on my desk. That always works out so much better. So here I'm just placing the embellishments all around the Project Life cards. I like that Happy Day chipboard piece, and so I'm going to put that on there, and then I'm also putting one, it says documented, and there was a car in front of us underneath the Yellowstone Bear World little sign there, and so it didn't look as good as I had wanted it to if there hadn't been a car there. So I decided to put that documented chipboard sticker there, and then I will stamp the date on it, and that will work out perfect. I really like how that looks. So my idea for this page was just to embellish with a lot of the chipboard and the stickers from the page kit, and that just works out so awesome. I kept the embellishing very simple on each one of the photos, and it works out. On that card that says smile, I am going to do journaling about the day and what we did and how much fun we have. Now here I'm going to add, I'm not sure if I add a title, but I'm going to use these phrase stickers. Oh, I decided to use a phrase instead of doing the date. And then I'm going to add some more phrase stickers on a few of these photos. Phrase stickers are seriously one of my favorite things right now. If your layout doesn't feel done, or if your, project life page doesn't feel done, add phrase stickers. That's always my go-to lately. So I'm really, really liking this. And here now I am doing some journaling. And like I said, of course, I don't have my page in front of me, so I don't know what I journal about or what it says exactly. But basically, it's just about my in-laws coming to visit us for a few hours with one of my kids' cousins, and we were able to go spend a few hours with them at Bear World. We ate lunch with them. We did like a little picnic, and it was really fun. And that is it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are enjoying this little series that I have been doing. I will be back hopefully very soon with another Project Life page. Bye!